at Adams Motorsport Park. First training day since your races.
Well, last weekend was the races.
Yes.
We're 1 weekend later, and we got to ride at least once a week. If you don't ride at least once a week, I'm telling you, you lose it.
That's true.
So, got to get out here, just moving around again, get on the bike, get the braking hand back, and yeah, just riding the KTM RC390. We're here at Adams Motorsport Park, and hopefully I don't crash this time, because I am 2 for 2 crashing here. Every time I've come here, I've crashed in the same turn. This time we got slicks though. This is the first time here with slicks.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So last time we had the stock wooden tires.
Yes.
And, so we should be able to get a little bit more grip and get a little bit better lap time this time.
Sounds good. We got a few other bikes here. We have a Grom and a little Supermoto.
Yeah. It's been a week since I rode, so time to get back into the grind. Should be pretty good. I was definitely tired racing at Buttonwillow last week, so look at these tires. Tore them up. This bike still only got 170 miles on it. Alright, here's my turn. The infamous, I always go in this pit, and that's how I go down. Oh man, this bike is a lot weaker than the Ducati. Oh crap, I forgot. Thought I was gonna get on some power again. This bike ain't got it. Definitely fun to ride, but the first time we came to this track, my fastest lap was a 50.52. So we're gonna see if we can improve on that time today. This was my fastest lap of the day, with improving some lines and having some better tires on. Almost 2 seconds faster. That's a huge improvement. I think next time we come out here, we'll be able to do a 47 or below. Oh, I scrubbed the tires clean. Not gummy no more. Whoa, look at this one.
Wow, that's a weird.
Yeah, that's different.
I've never seen it do that before. Huh.
I was definitely coming in hot on the front.
Yeah, you were chirping all over the place.
Oh, really? I didn't crash on this day at Adams, but I did try to use the rear brake into this turn, and look what happened. Well, that was fun. Killed the game, Drew. Yeah, I'm done. Okay. Yeah, I heard him on my ass the whole time.
Yeah, he's on a what?
I don't think he tried to pass me though.
No, he didn't.
I think he was just chilling,
He was.
putting the pressure on.
Yep.
Yeah, it was good. It made me push a little harder because I knew he was there. So, yeah, it was good.
Wait, you're backing it in over here?
Yeah.
You had a weird line. I was trying to copy it and I couldn't do it. I couldn't run wide.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not using a rear brake either, so that's just all hard front. Yeah, just downshifting in front.
I tried to copy your line and it went off.
I can't get that turn, man. I don't know what it is. I just can't get that one.
He's learning the lines out here too. He's trying to get better. He's been on the street for so long that.
Develops bad habits.
So here's the video.
We are done.
That's his video.
Track day's over.